This had to be looked at. These are all Meccano, which used to be a popular building toy. So you would take the pieces of metal and fashion them into something like this, and it would take a lot of effort to do it. This looks like a Shea locomotive. This one is some kind of other steam tanker. This is a amusement park ride. Probably works too. Here's a famous steam locomotive. As you can see, it's based on a real model. Basically two locomotives smashed together to make this one center cab type steam locomotive. I'd have to look it up to find out what railroad actually used it, but it is a real prototype. Here you have a crane record car, a wrecking crane. There's another steam locomotive. Rather large one too. Here's another tank engine. Rather large. And here you got an operating boom crane. Look at this. This is incredible. Looks like you've got the engine in there too. Pretty cool. Here at the Exporail Model Train Show 2023. Let's just give you an example of how big it is.